everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and use some amazing 3D icons for your projects. These icons are not only animated but also free to download and use. Sounds awesome, right? So let's get started. First, you need to go to Google and search for Vecteezy. This is a website that offers thousands of vector graphics and icons for different purposes. Once you find the website, click on it and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Next, you need to search for the type of icon you want. For example, I'm going to search for finance because I'm making a video about money and business. After you enter your keyword, you will see a lot of icons related to your topic, but not all of them are 3D or free. So how do you filter them? Well, it's very easy. Just click on this filter option here and select PNG as the file type. This will show you only the icons that have a transparent background, which is ideal for video editing. Then scroll down a bit and select free as the license type. This will show you only the icons that are free to use for personal and commercial projects. You can also sort them by popularity, relevance, or date. Now, you have a lot of 3D icons to choose from. You can preview them by hovering over them or clicking on them.